How to animate the beeps of sensors. Okay. In normal mode, the beam has the beep prompt if the sensor aligned with each other again, just like this. And how to animate the beeps, we should turn off the sensor first, 3 times to turn off the beams first. And then we turn on the beams by pressing the on-off button 7 times. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the beams has been animated. We check the beams. The beam has aligned with each other again and without the beeps. Okay.